Welcome to Foxtecc. If you want to lower the volume on your Apple Watch, you should know that there are two different types of volume controls: ringer volume and content volume. The ringer volume controls notifications, alerts, and incoming call sounds, while content volume is used for music, videos, and media playback. Let's go through how to adjust both of them. First, let's talk about the ringer volume. This is the volume level for things like call alerts, text notifications, and system sounds. To lower it, press the digital crown to open the home screen, then tap on the Settings app. Scroll down and select Sounds and Haptics. Inside this menu, you'll see a volume slider. Just drag it to the left to lower the ringer volume. This will reduce the sound level for all alerts without affecting media playback. Now, if you're listening to music through AirPods or even playing a video directly on your Apple Watch, the volume is adjusted differently. Instead of going into settings, you can simply rotate the digital crown while the media is playing. When you do this, a volume indicator will appear on the screen, letting you adjust it in real time. This is useful because it works independently from the ringer volume, so your notifications won't get affected by your media volume settings. So whether you're trying to lower notification sounds or adjust the volume of your music, now you know exactly how to do it. Let me know in the comments if this helped. And if you found this useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more Apple tips. Thanks for watching and see you later.